Okay, so here we are at 5035. That is a ocean view. I think they call it deluxe. But basically what it means is we have that nice window who's really big. So we have 2 chairs. We have this nice area here. I'm pretty sure this is going to be the refrigerator. Yes, that's going to be the refrigerator. We have drawers here, and here it looks like there is a hair dryer. I don't usually hair dry but there it is. There's the room service menu. There's some plugs there. There's a TV. Some ice. Full-length mirror over here. That's nice. You don't always see that. Like I said, these 2 nice chairs. And then over here we have a TV by the nightstand. Let's see if this has anything. It doesn't look like it has any plugs. Not surprising, this is an older ship. So it has a nice big window. Couple drawers on both sides. I don't really ever use all this storage. I don't think I've ever been on a ship that it doesn't have enough storage. So this is a hanging along with our life jackets. Another hanging, more life jackets. It's only, oh, it does have the things that probably comes out of the ceiling, so this might have been a 4. Probably because it has 4 life jackets. We had one like that on the Magic where it literally, the bunks went up into the ceiling instead of hanging down like 4 inches. That's really nice. We don't need them on this cruise, thank goodness. Just us. And in here are shelves. Lots of shelves. Oh, and these are actually drawers. And the safe. So there's more. We're here 12 days. We did bring more luggage than normal. It's not here yet, but we did bring 3, which is highly unlikely for us. But there's plenty of room. There looks like there's a little stool under there if you want to sit there and put your makeup on, or whatever, do your hair. So overall, I'm impressed. It's a large size. We have 2 chairs, but easily probably a chair and a sofa could go in this space here. Let me go all the way back to the door, and maybe that'll give you an idea how big it is. I think it's pretty big. And I like the window. We usually do an interior. In fact, we did an interior with this and we did an upgrade. And I like the window. More to come on the Divina. So far, it's been great. Okay, so this is MS Divina 5035. This is their bathroom. As you can see, I'm all the way in. There are shelves. This is the bathroom. This is this great door that folds in. Okay. But it's glass doors. I love the ships that have the glass doors, and this one's even more impressive. It's fairly big, guys. I'm fluffy, but I'm not that tall, but it looks very big. Storage under there. It's a nice size bathroom, and it's nice.